The Laitumkhrah Unit of the Khasi Students Union on the 14th of April apprehended a non-local individual accused of molesting a young woman under the guise of conducting a medical examination at a pharmacy in Laitumkhrah, Shillong. The accused, identified as one Bulu Malakar from Karimganj district of Assam, is reportedly residing in New Colony, Laitumkhrah. While he was employed as a salesperson, he allegedly misrepresented himself as a qualified pharmacist at a medical store named Meghalaya Pharmacy in Laitumkhrah. According to reports, the incident occurred when a young woman visited the pharmacy to purchase medicine for a mouth ailment. The accused allegedly persuaded her to enter a clinic room on the pretext of checking her blood pressure. Once inside, he reportedly asked her to lie down and proceeded to touch her inappropriately, alleging attempting to sexually assault her. The victim managed to escape and fled the premises. Following the incident, the survivor alerted the members of the KSU. Acting swiftly, the organization, along with local youth groups of Laitumkhrah and the Shnong authorities, traced the accused and handed him over to the Laitumkhrah police station. A formal complaint has been filed by the victim's family, supported by the KSU and local Shnong representatives. The case has also been brought to the notice of the State Women's Commission, while further investigation has been taken up by the police. In the aftermath of the incident, the KSU and local Shnong members sealed the pharmacy and issued a strong warning calling for stringent action against those involved in such offences.
Liang jok ki isu lembat ki seng samla joga Shnong Laitumkhrah hi borok kowe berkumju uru kinong yalam dong jongka New Colony ilawan hang nimtasi hadin ka jingyo ujor hangi ba ladon iwe i kenthei ibalik thit dawai na katika Meghalaya Pharmacy kabodon hang ni apoka Shnong Laitumkhrah te pandai abai licit dawai kumta utau dakhar upatri hang ula khot penmani i shadin joga pharmacy da kaba ai daw bun hab bantas ka BP ka jongi henry ula le kikam kiba lasdang ban kta apo kamet jongi lasdang ban inappropriately bun grab i ula molesti te abakumta marsunyo jingtep nakaliang jungi ngilalik tan yu tau dakhar bon wan yalam ni police station bat ba ninyat kat kum kaan kani kalong ru kawai ka kubor kabosusi ha ka ba ngi jiyo sngo na kapor baju jam kini ki bat ngila shimkhia hiru kum gaseng bat kum jurum ka seng samla bat kaniru kadai kawai ka jingketu kan pam kibriu kiba juai shongwai ikibar jela lene kiba juai jakasa ikibar jela lada kadai ka commercial ne ka jakasa ru baginda pek husiar ba nomor kini dakhar kibawan napok Shnong jongki ru ngimtep kidi kibriu kibala lesi kibala judan ka kanu criminal record te badina ngani kada bana kapor ru kaseng gaju pet kan mau hi sarkar ya kata ka jingthrang bandawai ka LP badai judan kum kini hijat brio ki bawan pat neki wei ki jela bonwan penjabo ekani ka Shnong kathan ga jungi
naka tasi nakaliang kasing sama Laitumkhrah pelun masnyo jingtip hi bodon kani ka jingja basusi wan mare wood chinish police station ban tip ba ka eka basa le itai hey botla dim kanai hey khasi jungi tamba kalong ke basusi kani ka jam tasngi ru saraj ki darbar Shlong sakilong ba Shlong bakin chimkhia haba ki ai kanu ka NOC badru ban verify ba ki brio ki batrai hakini unu ki benta ki badi kan ne ki pharmacy ne ki ru kamtam du ki kentu bak ni kirpat ki department concerned baki dai shwa bikin ai kanu license ba findai ba filong pharmacist Jadi ban verify hai kinong sai batai hentu. Bakilong em ki certified. Bakilong certified na em bakin sim bakin le ki examine ya ka khatmat jing brio. Bakilong na em sha ta ki authorized person ki layo pa na em kata ka license. Bakin practice ya kan ya. Tang kita ketin hi bishmo.